I got 2 so far. I'm just gonna try to run up the other ones if I can. This open holds and continues us. It's hard sometimes, like when you're going against such strong downward momentum to do this. It'd be better if we had like a trend trade from this area.
Mhm.
But basically, what we're ultimately trying to do from this area here is gauge if price can rebalance itself back to where all the volume is, which is on the upside. So there's 2 areas you can do it. One is going to be right in this middle area, which is the overnight low. The other one is let this come down to the lows prior. And then if we can't break a new low, then look for the long from that area. You know what I mean? So it's really determining what you're comfortable with as far as trading. And if you're not comfortable with middle areas, then you gotta wait till the exhaustive areas, which is like down here at the lows below. I'm comfortable with this area. I think that we turn around and we may spike back to the upside, but if not, then the last one just won't get all the way up there. I just have to be okay with that. But I do like when you sit here and you take trades, you want to have an idea behind the trade, right? See, like we could wait the whole first hour and identify, hey, what the bigger move may end up being in the long run, and it might still not work out, but what you do prevent yourself from doing is constantly trying to get in on trades over and over and over again, right? Because
Mm.
that tends to hurt your trading account and your emotions and puts you in a position where you feel like you can't trade. And the majority of people can actually trade pretty decently if they follow structure. What they have to learn to do is learn to place their trades only around their levels once they understand what the market's trying to do, right? So for me, I'm looking at the market trying to reverse back here up into this resistance wall and then trying to get back up to, like we talked about, the where the volume is up here, where all the big money is sitting up here. So at 10:30 we should see a rebalance move, which means that the market itself, if it wanted to go lower by 9:30 to 10:30, would have taken us to make a new low, right? So there's a higher probability that it looks to try to rebalance itself, but we'll see what happens. If it doesn't here, then we'll look to see if it breaks a new low. And if it doesn't, this may also be a nice fade opportunity for those who want to trend trade. Still opportunities to short. I would prefer the short all the way up here, or underneath the low, right? That would be a great area. But there's always different trades somebody could put on. But yeah, worked out well. Pretty easy move. Didn't really take that long to get where it needed to go.